Minority Whip, you seem to have had a good lunch. Honorable members, in accordance with the Standing Order 96 and the provisions therein, I beg to put the question that debate on the motion at order number 8 do now adjourn. As members of that opinion say aye. Will those of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. That motion is consequently put in abeyance. It will be back on the order paper either tomorrow or Tuesday. We'll now move to the pre-publication debate on the constitutional bill proposed by the Honorable Mule and Honorable Kishimo. Clerk.
Statement on the legislative proposal to amend the Constitution under Standing Order 114(7)(a).
Honorable members, I did indicate to you yesterday the Honorable Junet, please have some order. I did indicate to the House the purport of this debate. It's a pre-publication debate. It has no vote at the end. All members who have issues have received representation